Bentota is one of the most popular and the loveliest beach town on Sri Lanka's western coast. It's located in the Gold district of Southern Province and situated on the southern bank of the Bentota River mouth. It's located 65 kilometers from south of Colombo. Bentota Beach has a unique and peaceful shore. Though, like the other beaches, there are clear blue water and golden white sand, the beach can boast of its tranquil environment. This is one of the reasons why the beach is a retreat for beach enthusiasts who want to lodge on the sunny beach in quiet and isolated environment. On the west coast of the Sri Lanka, Bentota is the ideal location for water activities. If you are hoping to visit Sri Lanka, Bentota is ideal place to you. Throughout today's session, I am going to do a yoga flow that anyone can do easily without any knowledge about yoga. If you are new to yoga or if you are keen on doing yoga practice, this is a great sequence for you. Only you need your body and open mind with open heart. Take a deep breath while raise your hands toward the sky. While inhale, bend your upper body forward. Inhale up, stretch back. Exhale and bend forward. Slowly bring your both legs back. Then walk 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your knee on the mat, sit on the soles of the feet, come to Vajrasana. This is the best asana to develop the function of digestive system. Allow yourself to normal breathing. Bend your upper body forward and come to child pose. Keep your forehead on the mat. Slowly stretch your hand forward while touching floor. Slowly walk from your palms. Push your chest and keep on the mat. Now you can come to puppy pose. Now stretch upper body and come to baby cobra. While inhale, stretch upper body back. We are now in Bhujanga. Keep your toes on the mat, raise your butt up and come to Parvatasana. Then bring your right leg forward, left leg should be straight. Raise your hand towards the sky, come to Warrior Two pose. Close your eyes and open your mind. Welcome to new oxygen to your body. Allow yourself to normal breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Palms down and release the left hand toward the sky. Come to Uttita Parshvottanasana and breathe out. Lift down your left hand and keep it on the floor. Straight right leg. Try to keep your forehead on the knee. Come to 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗪𝗪. Hold. Release your left hands toward the sky. Come to triangle pose. Open your chest forward. Relax. Keep your hand on the wrist. Bend back. Slowly bend forward. Release your palms and keep parallel with your legs. Try to keep your legs straight. Then bend your elbow and try to keep your head on the mat. Slowly up your upper body. Raise the hands toward the sky. Give weight to your right leg. Bend upper body forward while raise your left leg up. Come to warrior 3 pose. Breathe well. Come down, relax. Keep left leg on right thigh. Raise your hands toward the sky. Come to Vrikshasana and hold. Slowly release your left hand and touch left ankle. Come to Santulasana. From this position, open your chest. Come to Nataraja Asana and breathe well. Relax and come to Tadasana. Take a deep breath. Bring your both legs back. Put your knee on the mat. Sit on the soles of the feet. Come to Vajrasana. Get simple breathing. Bend your upper body forward. Come to child pose. Keep your forehead on the mat. Slowly stretch your hand forward while touching floor. Slowly walk from your palms. Push your chest and keep on the mat. Now you can come to puppy pose. Stretch your upper body and come to baby cobra. Keep your palm side on the chest. While giving the weight to your palms, stretch upper body back. Come to Bhujanga. Keep your toes on the mat. Raise your butt up and come to Parvatasana. Then bring your left leg forward. Right leg should be straight. Come to Ashwa Sanchalana Asana. Raise your both hands toward the sky. Come to warrior 2 pose. Allow yourself to normal breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly spread your hands. Come to warrior 1 pose. Make sure your legs should be placed on one straight line. Keep your left palm side on the left leg. Raise the right hands toward the sky. Look at the right hand. Utthita 𝗙𝗪𝗟𝗪𝗪. Make sure left leg point to left side. Right leg angle to left side. Slowly keep the right palm on the floor. Straight left leg. Try to keep your forehead on the knee. Come to 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗪𝗪. Breathe well. Raise your right hands toward the sky and look at the right hand. Come to triangle pose. Hold the asana. Relax. Keep your hand on the wrist. Bend back. Slowly bend forward. Release your palms and try to keep your palms parallel with your legs. Don't bend your knee and keep your legs straight. Allow yourself to normal. Breathe in and breathe out. Bend elbow and try to keep your head among the palms. Come to 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 and hold. Slowly raise your upper body up. Raise the hands toward the sky. Give weight to left leg. Bend upper body forward while raise the right hand up. Come to Warrior 3 pose. Concentrate your mind and body. Warrior 3 pose. This is the best practice for managing body balance and mind concentration. Relax. Raise the right leg. Keep it on left thigh. Raise your hands toward the sky. Come to Vrikshasana. Practicing this asana will help to increase the circulation system of the body. Release your right hand. Touch right ankle. Come to Santulasa and allow to normal breathing. Open your chest. Stretch the right leg. Come to dancing pose. This is the good yoga pose to shape your body. Relax. Release your hands toward the sky. Bend your knee. Come to Utkatasana and hold. Keep your knee on the floor. Sit on the soles of the feet. Palms together and come to Vajrasana. Keep your palms on the heel. Give the weight to your palms. Open your chest forward. Come to camel pose. This asana will help to strengthen the spinal cord. Relax. Forward your legs. Take a deep breath and bend your upper body forward and try to catch the soles from your palms. Come to Paschimottanasana. Breathe well. Slowly laying on the floor. Relax your total body. While inhale, raise your upper and lower body. Come to Uttanapadasana. Breathe in. Relax. Bend your knee and touch the toes. Come to Tistibhasana 1. Hold. Straight both hand and legs. Come to Titibhasana 2 and try to keep your both legs straight without bending your knee. Slowly spread your legs and hand to move other version of Titibhasana 3. Relax your body. Close your eyes. Allow yourself to normal breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. 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 Today yoga flow ends here. Gratitude to universe for making this day possible.